Hi everyone, I'm Lisa and welcome to Lisa's Stamp Studio. Today's quick tip is about mounting your clear mount stamp sets. Now I'm just going to start off by telling you that there are a number of ways to do this. This is just how I do it. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this brand new stamp set. This So Santa stamp set can be found in the holiday catalog. You'll see it here on page 23 down here at the bottom. Really some cute images. When you receive your brand new clear mount stamp set, inside, of course, you'll have your rubber and there will be pre-die cut areas for the images. There's also a sheet of stickers that go on the back to indicate where the images will be on the other side. I do put my stickers on my stamps and I get questions about how I'm able to get them to stick to my clear blocks so well. The secret is keeping your clear blocks clean. So use hand sanitizer and clean them off and you'll find that these cling very well. So let me show you how this is done. I'm going to take it out of the case to make it a little bit easier. I'm going to work with a larger image here so that's easier for you to see. I begin by taking off that paper backing that's here on the image. The image is on the sticker sheet. It's a mirrored image, so what's here is then here. And I'm going to peel off just 1/2 of that image. I find that if you take the whole thing off, you're struggling with a big sticky mess. So holding it with the paper side, I'll go ahead and manipulate this to determine how it's best going to fit. And I start by placing down the side that is not sticky, because that's going to help assure me that I have this lined up. So let me put this down flat and then I'll press this to get all the little air bubbles out from underneath. And I'm going to use my pickup tool, and I've happened to have the paper piercing tip on the end, and that's going to help me get right up underneath here and lift that paper backing up. Be careful, you don't want to pierce that foam. And then I'm going to go ahead and just slide that down and press down the other side. And you can see that the sticker on here is actually mounted perfectly. I don't have to worry about any overage. And then when it's time to use it, I go ahead and I just pull it out of the frame. Now when I go to store these stamps, I do keep the frame of the stamped image inside my case, because at a very quick glance, that's going to show me if I have an image that's missing when I'm stamping with friends. If you don't already have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and you're interested in purchasing Stampin' Up! Products and would like a copy of the holiday catalog or the annual catalog, I'd be more than happy to send them to you complimentary. Just leave me a comment below. Thanks so much for joining me, everyone. I look forward to seeing you next time for another quick tip. Have a great day.